Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched Artificial Intelligence Stock Analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the second day of May in the year 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.92. Now, let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 40.09% since we first identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, which was 46 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.87% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 56.81% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 48.04% and 70%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 28.19%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 66.63% to negative 26.20% over the upcoming year. In present terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $46.18 and $102.15. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline: Advanced Micro Devices stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Wednesday trading session. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained approximately 0.4% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025. The price rose from $137.82 to $138.41. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.22%, with a low of $137.60 and a high of $140.65. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, although it remains down by 0.01% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 667,000 more shares were traded than the previous day, with a total of 37 million shares bought and sold for approximately $5.06 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $187.28, and the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 26.09%, or $48.87 below the 52-week high, and 39.11%, or $88.89, below the all-time high on March 8, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is experiencing significant momentum in the semiconductor market, as indicated by a series of recent reports. Meta's commitment to utilizing AMD's MI300X for artificial intelligence tasks positions AMD as a key player in the burgeoning AI sector, establishing it as an alternative to NVIDIA. With impressive financial results in the first quarter of 2025, showing 36% revenue growth and expanding gross margins, AMD's operational strength cannot be overlooked. This solid performance underlines the company's capability to invest further in AI, which is becoming increasingly critical for its long-term growth trajectory. Market analysts are optimistic, with Citi recently raising AMD's price target to $145, reflecting growing confidence in the chipmaker's ability to capitalize on AI technology demands and its data center expansion. Despite a challenging year, with AMD's stock down nearly 25% in the past 12 months, technical setups suggest a potential bounce back, igniting interest among traders. On a broader scale, as the AI landscape transforms, firms like AMD are poised to benefit, potentially elevating their market share and stock valuations in the long run. This positive forecasting could instill investor confidence, impacting AMD's stock price favorably, both in the near term and across the upcoming quarters. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 1st of July 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned AMD a reduce rating alongside a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of June 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler granted AMD an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 13th of June 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital awarded AMD a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Evercore ISI provided AMD with an outperform rating along with a hold action. On that same day, it was noted that Citigroup issued a neutral rating for AMD and also recommended a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating as well. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $137.91 and $124.81. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which might impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 3.75%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 47 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 46 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 53 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 41 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $127.10 and $126.39. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $127.10. If this is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $126.39 and $117.72. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.05 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.22%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.57%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 54 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $138.43. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $127.10. If this support level holds, it could provide a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of June, 2025, Guido Philipp conducted an insider purchase of 7,494 shares of common stock. On the same day, Guido Philipp also executed an insider sale of 2,097 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 15th of June, 2025, he sold 7,494 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2025, Papermaster Mark D made an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. Also, on the 13th of June, Mark D sold 16,586 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been assessed as negative, with a ratio of negative 7.697. In summary, insiders have purchased 691,669 shares and sold 811,905 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $131.97. Reflecting a decline of 4.66%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level presents a buying opportunity. There is a strong likelihood that advanced micro devices stock will perform well in the short term. As a result, we have revised our analysis from a hold or accumulate rating to a buy recommendation. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of July, we anticipate that advanced micro devices will open higher by approximately 477 hundredths and begin trading at $138.89. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Please remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.